So I'm using leftovers yarn and 4mm crochet hook. So we'll start. I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain a multiple of 3 plus 1 at the end. So for this card holder, I'm gonna chain 9 and add 1 chain at the end. So I've got 10 chains at the end. In the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. I'm gonna skip 2 and make 3 double crochet in the next chain. I'm gonna skip 2 and in the last chain I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. Okay, so I've got 3 clusters or 3 double crochet groups. So I'm gonna chain 1 now, and in the same chain I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. I'm gonna chain 1 and again in the same chain 3 double crochet. So I'm turning my work the downside. I will tighten. And now under the previous 3 double crochet in the same chain, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. And again in the beginning chain 3 and 2 double crochet, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. Okay, oops. So okay, so 3 double crochet. My yarn is finished, so I'm gonna join another yarn, another color. So I've got 3 double crochet here. I'm gonna join and chain 1. Oops. Chain 1. Hold these loose threads tight, and again, in the same chain I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. So sorry for the noise, it's getting really hot here. Okay. And chain 1 and join to the initial chain with a slip stitch after you chain 1. And this is the first row. Now we still have the same color yarn. We're gonna continue. I'm gonna chain 3 and in every space I'm gonna make 3 double crochet or cluster, whatever you prefer to call it. In the chain 1 space here in the corner, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. In the next chain 1 space, the same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. And again I need a new yarn. Oops. And the same way we joined the previous one, put this yarn on the side, join the new yarn, hold them tight, yarn over and start your next double crochet. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet again. Okay. Same thing in the space, 3 double crochet. In the next space, same thing, 3 double crochet. And now again in the corner, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. And in the starting point, the corner, the first corner, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and join to the initial chain 3, which is considered a double crochet as well, and fasten off. So you only need 2 rows for a card holder. If you want to add more, it's up to you. So now we're gonna join both squares together and I'm gonna show you how. So this side I'll put it the wrong side, and this side the right one. Okay, and I'm gonna start from here going down, and here I'm gonna single crochet. So I will join the yarn from the corner. So this is the first corner, and this is the second corner of the second piece. So join the yarn, hold the loose end, and chain one, make a single crochet in the same chain one space. Now onto the next stitch. We're gonna work in the stitches. Insert the hook in the first stitch, insert in the next stitch of the other piece, and single crochet. We continue the same. Okay, and this is my card holder, easy and quick to make. One of the ways to get rid of the leftover yarns without throwing them, and fun way to keep the cards. What do you think? Easy and quick. So this measures 12 centimeters by around 7 to 8. So you control how big and wide you want it by the number of rows you do and the number of chains you do initially. So this is the granny rectangle card holder. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy and fun. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, as always, in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.